Hey buddy, today in this video, we're making Instapot butter chicken. Let's begin. We have here 4 pieces of chicken breast, and it's around 2.5 pounds. I'm going to trim off the extra fat. Now we're going to cut them into cubes. Just cut them into chunks. Just like that. Cut it down in the center. And then just cut them into cubes. Here we go. Okay, we're going to take the chicken and we're going to put it in a bag. Here we go. We have all the chicken in the bag. We're going to season the chicken first. We'll need 1 tablespoon of garam masala. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of ginger. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. First, we're going to mix everything up. Okay, the seasoning is mixed in nicely. We're going to open it back up. We're going to add the plain Greek yogurt. And it's around 5.3 ounces. There we go. We have all the yogurt in there. We're going to squeeze all the air out. We're going to close it up and mix in the yogurt. Okay, we have all the chicken mixed in with the plain yogurt evenly. And the great thing about plain yogurt is that it will tenderize the meat. For best results, you want to leave it in the fridge overnight. Or minimally, you want to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 4 hours. But for best results, we're going to leave it in the fridge overnight. And we'll be back. Okay, we allowed the chicken to marinate overnight in the fridge. And let's start cooking. The first thing what we're going to do is push it on saute mode and let it preheat. While it's preheating, we're going to slice 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, that's 1, 2. There we go. Okay, it's fully preheated. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then next, we're going to add 1 cup of diced up white onions. Stir them around. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir everything all up. Try to brown up the white onions. Okay, the onions are looking good. They're nicely browned up. Now we're going to add the 2.5 pounds of chicken. Stir everything all up. Try to brown up the surface of the chicken. Okay, we lightly browned up the surface of the chicken. We're going to turn off saute mode. We're going to push cancel. We're going to pour in 1 cup of water. And we're going to deglaze the pot. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot, or you might get a burn error. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to add in 6 tablespoons of butter. That is unsalted butter, by the way. 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2, 3. 1 tablespoon of cumin. Go, that's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of garam masala. That's 1. 2. 1 teaspoon of coriander. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. There you go. That's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of ginger. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. And lastly, 1 can of crushed up tomatoes. It's 15 ounces. Take everything and mix it all in. There we go. This is what it looks like before we close it up. Okay, it's locked. We're going to push pressure cook. And we're going for 6 minutes. And we're going to let it preheat first. Okay, it's preheating and we'll be back once the timer is started for 6 minutes. The red pin has gone up, that means it's almost fully preheated, and we're waiting for the timer to start for 6 minutes. The timer has started for 6 minutes on high pressure, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes on high pressure, and now we're going to release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down, that means it's safe to open. Wow, looking nice. It's looking good, and now we're going to turn it back on saute mode. We're going to push cancel, and then we're going to push saute. We're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 16 ounces. Stir everything all together. As you can see, it's a little runny, so we're going to add some cornstarch and water mixture. We have here 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. We're going to stir it all in, and this will help thicken the sauce. Okay, we're going to pour it in slowly, just a little bit, and then stir in the cornstarch water mixture. And we're going to add the rest of the cornstarch water mixture. The sauce has thickened up nicely, and we're going to turn off saute mode. Next, we're going to take some mini naan flatbread and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Okay, we put the mini naan flatbreads in the microwave for 15 seconds, and we're going to put this to the side. Next, we're going to take some basmati rice and put it on the side. And we're going to put the flatbread on the side as well. And now let's scoop up some of the buttered chicken. And lastly, we're going to take some cilantro and put it on top of the buttered chicken. Okay, this is what we have today, Instapot butter chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. We're going to take some of the butter chicken and put it on top of the naan. Take a little bit more butter sauce and put it on top. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.